Hey you guys, it's the girl to the gym back with another video. This is another DIY project. So I'm always getting people asking me like, girl, where you get your stuff from that you be making your putting your stuff on, like my charms, my badge holders. I make all those things myself. What I do is I buy punches and all that stuff, but I'm going to show you in this video how I'm going to make some little personalized envelopes I'm finna start making to put things in, basically pearls in, that I'm gonna ship out to people. I'm finna show you guys how to make it and everything. If you want to see how it's done, stay tuned. So here's some of the things that I've punched out with this. This is my Spellbinder Grand Caliber, and like I showed you guys in one of my videos, I got this from the thrift store, and I don't think I said how much it was. It was $10, you guys. It came with all three of these, the silicone mat, and then it came with a mini set. So I have three of these and a silicone mat, and they were like kind of brand new. Like these were brand new, they were never used, and neither was the mat for the small size. But then I also had got the full size ones. Like I said, you guys, don't sleep on the thrift store. It's my favorite. So I'm gonna get to the video, and these are like the envelopes that we're going to be making. They're just little envelopes like this where you can put stuff in, you can put cards in, and you can use any kind of paper material. This is a glitter material that I use for this one, and it's an envelope if you want to put stuff in, like that. But that's not what it's for. I just was playing around with the because this is my not first time, but I just got this like when that video happened. That was my first time ever using one of these. I would just either get a punch or anything like that, but the punch is like freaking hard to punch. I had to have my son to do it because I use cardstock on my heavy things, like to put my charms on. I used cardstock, and then I had my own personal stamp made, a stamp that I came up with. I sent it to a person off of Etsy, and she was amazing. They got back to me so quick. I got it within the matter of a week. It was just great, and I love it. It's my own personal stamp. So if you guys want that, I left it in the video a while ago, but if you guys want me to put it in this link, I'll do it. So I went to Tuesday mornings. If you guys don't know what Tuesday morning is, I do a lot of Tuesday morning hauls, and they have amazing products. They don't just sell home things like what you can have at home. They also sell craft stuff. So I was looking for this because once you invest in these, I know that might be pricey. It was $8.99. It might be a little pricey, but you guys don't realize how many times you can use this, all the things you can use it for. And so I grabbed this up. I got this, and it has so many things, but I went in there with just $20, and I said I'm not spending over $20 because when I go in these stores, you guys, I get so much stuff that I really don't have room for right now. So I got this, and then I end up getting this stamp, and the stamp is $1.99, guys. They had so many stamps there for like $1.99. This is just how you can do the edges really pretty. And then I found this. It was $3.99, guys, at Tuesday morning. I'm telling you, they have stuff like this all the time. So what this do is it punch a hole, then it indents a hole, like a pretty indent in it. But yeah, let's get back to while we're here. So I went and I found this. Now I can keep this in my stash forever because anytime I need to make envelopes, little envelopes like this, and you can use any kind of paper. I'm going to show you guys 3 different papers that you can use and how to put them together. So what you will need is, of course, a machine to pass it through, or you can cut it out through your Cricut, anything like that. But I don't want to load a Cricut or my Silhouette, load that and then take it out, move the paper. This is like so simple. Like once you get the hang of it, it's so simple. So I'm going to try it on 4 different kinds of paper. I guess I can just do, I'm just going to do 3 different kinds, because this is a silky kind of paper. This one is still is shinier, and then I have one that's grainier, and then one is just your regular paper. So I'm going to show you guys how to do both of that. You'll use the same method for both. So my Excalibur, my Grand Caliber, I don't know why I keep calling it Excalibur, that was a knife. But what you need, it'll tell you on here everything you need. So to cut, you need C and A. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you need C and A to cut. So I have it right here. Here's C, here's A. So what you would do is you put A on the bottom, and then I'm gonna do this paper first. So I'm just gonna set it upside, set it like this. You put it down. Now this is pretty hard work, because I can understand, I can understand why everybody's investing in the new one that they have, which is electronic. Like all you have to do is push the button and it go through, because this is a lot of arm work, ladies. You getting a workout when you do this. So I'm going to put this in here. You're supposed to stick it down to the table, but this is not. So it'll go in. If you guys can see, it's feeding it in. That's why you're supposed to have it stuck down to the table, but it won't stick to my little thingy. So once you feel it loose, that means it got through. So I like to take it through again, bringing it out. See what I mean by the arm workup, ladies? There, now you know it's, well, you need to go and take it on out. Now, I'm going to open it, and we should have it perfectly cut. There's your perfectly cut. And here's the paper. So perfectly cut it, and then all you do is pop that out like that. Now I'm going to cut the rest, and I'm going to put it to the side, and we're going to put them all together once we're at the end. So I'm going to show you with this. Because it's grainier, you want to put this on the flat side, on the cut side. So this is the cut side. So you want this plain side on the cut side, so that this won't be in the way. So you want to have a clean cut. So you sit it on there like that. And then you sit it down. And you put it down like that. And you bring it through again. If you want it, sometimes I go like this. It's funny. I push it through until it's locked in, but then it won't let you go no more. So you just... Now with this kind of paper, it is kind of hard. You might hear a little crackle. But remember, it's gritty. There. I like to pass it through again to make sure it's got a clean cut. Now it's done. So I'm going to take it out. And there it is. You got a clean cut. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this. You're going to be getting 2 for the price of 1. You're going to be getting a workout and a beautiful project. And there it is. That's why I say put it on the back side, because it cuts much cleaner than it would during the front. So one more. I'm going to show you guys one more, and then we're going to put them together. So because I want both of these kind of in there, I'm going to lay it to the side like this. But you got to make sure it's centered on the board. Put it on top. Like I said, I push it through. Of course, it ain't gonna let you push it all the way through like that. So once you push it through like that, I just want it to hold it, so I don't have to hold it and do it. Whew, working, 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 working. Oh, okay. Once it get loose, then you know it's through. Now you run it back to make sure it got a clean cut. See why they get the electric ones now. Okay. Then it gives you a clean cut. Every single time you get a beautiful cut. So now I'm going to move this out the way so we can put them together. So I'm sure I didn't mention it at first, but I'm sure you guys know you're going to need this machine. You're going to need your papers you're using. Let me point this down a little bit more. And you're going to need some kind of glue of sort. I use my glue gun. My ATG gun. Bam! Right here. I did a video on how to load it, unload it. Let me know what you guys liked about the video, what you guys want to see me do next. And as always, 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 have a blessed night. Bye.